Do you wish you can use ChatGPT to help prep for your Google Calendar meetings? Let me show you how to do it automatically using a no-coding application builder, Zapier. To do this task, I'll create a Zap, Zapier's version of an automated workflow management system. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. You can build it from scratch, or with Zapier's new AI Copilot, just describe what you want and it will build the workflow for you. Let's say I want to come up with some meeting prep questions based on the event details of my meeting. I can type in, whenever a new meeting is added in Google Calendar, have ChatGPT write a list of prep questions and send them to my Slack. Once my prompt is typed, Copilot will get to work. It's like having your own custom app developer right inside of Zapier. My Zap will then be created. On the left-hand side, the Copilot will tell me the workflow steps that I need to take in order to complete my Zap. To start, I'll select my trigger, which is the event that starts any Zap. In this case, the trigger is Google Calendar. I'll then need to log into my account. The first time you set up Google Calendar, click the Account tab and follow the login link. And don't worry, Zapier acts like an API integration platform, so it connects apps securely while only performing the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. Next, I'll choose which calendar I want to use for this Zap, click Continue, and then I'll test the trigger to make sure everything's working properly. This testing step is like a mini proof of concept. It helps you confirm your automation logic is working before turning it on. Select Continue with selected record and we're ready to start creating our action. I'll next need to connect my OpenAI account by logging in. If it's your first time logging in, you'll need to create an API key. You can do this by selecting a new secret key under API Keys Dashboard tab and giving it a name before copying and pasting it into the authorization screen. Once I've connected my account, I'll click Continue and then it's time to assign our Trigger Apps data into the Action Apps field. Copilot will have pre-configured the step for you. However, you can go in and make changes if you'd like before testing your step one more time. If you do want to make changes, you can select from the drop-down menu or add your own text to customize the Zap. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Great, let's move on to our last step. Log into your Slack account if you haven't already, just like you did with your Google Calendar account. From there, choose where you'd like your messages to be sent, and then if you'd like, you can make any changes to your meeting test questions. Finally, test the step one more time and you're all set. Let's check our Slack account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a new Google Calendar event is created, ChatGPT will come up with prep questions and send them to your Slack channel. That's real-time app integration without touching a single line of code. And if ChatGPT isn't your thing, Zapier connects thousands of tools, from CRM softwares, marketing management platforms, to project trackers and custom mobile app builders. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. You can sign up and start for free.